It seems like DJI might have a new year present on the way for the drone community. Geeksvana has been informed of a new project codenamed Flash, which will be coming to retailers' shelves in the new year. Is it the new FPV drone social media have been talking about? Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. Here on this channel we bring you drone and tech related content including news, live streams, as well as manufacturer, leak and rumour videos like this one. If this is your kind of thing, hit the subscribe button for more. This video is dealing with some information directly received by Geeksvana and a decent amount of speculation. So please keep that in mind. Nothing that follows has been confirmed by DJI and it remains strictly rumour. 2020 has been a busy year of releases for DJI and now we are in December. I think it's time we looked to next year. However, with information passed to Geeksvana within the past couple of weeks, it appears we will not have long to wait. Now verified with multiple sources, it appears that a new drone product will be launched in January by DJI. The emails seen by Geeksvana show claims from DJI that the new drone will be something to excite the drone community. The codename given was Flash. So there we have it. A drone release is coming in January 2021 from DJI, but what could it be? There's been a lot of talk recently and a few allegedly leaked pictures showing an FPV drone. Certainly this would fit with the codename Flash and would potentially be a nice release after the Mini 2 and before the big release next year of a Mavic 3 drone or whatever that project ends up being released as. Looking at the DJI official Twitter page and a recent post titled Pit Stop gives us a dramatic look at a sports car being readied for the circuit. Could this be a hint at the project codename Flash? It certainly feels like something a skilled FPV pilot could capture with banking turns, although why the pit team are loading drums onto the roof is a bit of a mystery and could be a hidden message in itself. What do you think? Is this an FPV flight or something stabilisation wise being teased by DJI? The fact that it is a racing scene could indicate an FPV racer style drone, but again that's just me speculating. I'd really be interested in your thoughts in the comments below. Can anyone identify what's in those cans? The roof rack gives you the feeling that the car is being set up for a distance race, but nothing else about this classic Porsche gives anything but a track car impression. We all know DJI like to keep us hanging and get YouTubers like me to build up the hype of a product release. And it is, after all, some harmless fun and speculation. We thought we would bring you this video today to try and pull together the confirmed information we have regarding the project under the codename Flash and see if it fits the other rumours surrounding the DJI brand right now. For me, it will be interesting how DJI deal with the regulation side of things. We could see an FPV drone released, already built by a manufacturer, under 250 grams, that could be a great little flyer in terms of regulations both sides of the pond. But that still doesn't deal with the issue in terms of goggles and spotters, etc. Also, how do they intend to deal with issues such as crash and repair? That also interests me, but that is a fight and a conversation for another time. It would appear that the drone manufacturer, who has so expertly handled launches and leaks so far, could be building up to bring us something even more exciting. What are your thoughts on the recent launches and leaks from DJI products? Was it coincidence that errors were made, meaning a few Mini 2s found their way onto the shop floor at Best Buy? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're still watching this video, would you mind hitting the like button? I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Oh, you nosy sods. Go away. It's over. Every time.